rules, man.
Yeah, come on, do it
Lost.
again. You okay? Wala.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we are going to climb another ferrata, which is Ferrata BTG Alpini. It's a BC plus C ferrata. We figured we'd try this one out. So this is the ferrata. It goes.
That one.
Yeah. Easy, okay? Hey, let's go.
Carl.
Hey, Carl.
A Carl.
We just finished watching the Walking Dead, guys, and now we feel just like Rick Grimes.
With no rules.
There are no rules, man.
Yeah, come on,
We're
do it
lost.
There are no rules, man. We're lost.
Come on.
I just hate when this happens.
I want more steps.
I'm feeling so dizzy when I look at you.
Yeah.
Oh.
I look bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, if you like what we post, subscribe, leave a comment and like, and follow us on Instagram, _official. Thanks.
Shit. Yeah, wala. Oh. I don't even want to look down. Vino. Yeah. Good job.
Damn.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay. You should go.
You think? We are lucky that it's not so slippery.
Okay.
Yeah, it's true. Și alunecos. Da, da. Oh. Yeah. Da. Oh. Oh. Nice. You're doing amazing. It's gonna take us what, 30 minutes to do it. Nice job.
Yeah.
From now on it's easy.
Yeah?
Yeah. You should have placed your other leg.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm strong.
Hold on, I wanna take a shot of you.
Okay, you can go.
Okay. Do you need help?
No.
You did it fast. I'm impressed. Yeah, this is the end.
Huh?
This is the end.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wow. We are so high.
Just go.
Okay. sorry. I'm sorry. You okay? Need some water?
Yeah, wasn't my best day today. It was definitely not BC, it was more like CD, some parts D. It was, as you've seen, vertical, exposed, really exposed. And as a guy afraid of heights, I know, seems weird, right? I do VR ferratas and I'm afraid of heights. If you like the video, subscribe, like and comment. And follow us on Instagram on Adrian_official, please. Please. Thanks. And see you in the next vlog, or we'll see. See ya. The Prince Archer tar. Allumassa ne buono. Care sharpe care on. Ci ne va sa no.